So in this program, we are asked to print an integer in reverse order using the do while statement. We are giving the chance to user to enter an integer. Assume the user is entering an integer, the value is 123. Now we are writing the code by using the do while statement. So the one iteration will be performed without checking this condition. First iteration, the remainder is equal to n value means 123 modulus 10. The remainder is 3. A is equal to, as the A value, initial value is 0, so it is 0 star 10 plus the remainder value is 3. So final value is 3, and now n is equal to, this is compound assignment operator, we can also write this as n is equal to n by 10. Now n is equal to n by 10. N value is 123. So 123 by 10, 12. The value is 12. N is not equal to 0. Yes, n is not equal to 0 because the n value is 12. Because the condition is true, the second iteration will be done. In the second iteration, remainder is equal to n modulus 10. So what is the value of n? 12. 12 modulus 10. 12 modulus 10, the remainder is 2. And in the second statement, A star 10, initially A value is 3. So 3 star 10 plus remainder is 2, which is equal to 32. And after that, n divided by 10. So this is equal to 12 divided by 10, which is equal to 1. N value is 1, which is not equal to 0, still the condition is true. So the third iteration will be executed. Now the remainder is equal to n modulus 10 means 1 modulus 10, which is equal to 1. A star 10 plus remainder value is 1. The result is 321. So 321. Now n is equal to n by 10, which is equal to 1 by 10. This value is 0. Because the n value is 0, the condition is false. The control is transferred out of the loop. The control is transferred out of the loop, and the reversed number is percentage %d. The A value will be printed, which is 321. Now we are executing this. So I am entering an integer 123 and the reversed number is 321. This is how we print a reversed number by using the do while loop.